Introducing the 2019 Volvo Xc40D3MOM 5-door auto in sleek grey. This stunning estate/Jeep is packed with top-of-the-line features for ultimate comfort, safety and style. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this vehicle has it all. With security features like collision alert and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. Roof rails and spoiler add to the overall stylish look of this vehicle. Plus, with a comprehensive warranty and full multi-point health and safety check, you can trust that this Volvo is in top condition. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us today at spiritmotorgroup.ie or visit our website for more information. Drive in luxury and style with the Volvo Xc40D3MOM.